East meets West Coast double smash burger with that crispy cheese skirt. Listen to the cheese. You kind of have to eat in to get the burger, but oh my god. Oh, my life. Just look at this thing. I'm biased since I made this to my exact taste, but this is the best burger ever. I'm sorry. It just is. You've got the smash patties, which is just the best way to have burgers since you're getting more of that dark crust on the meat, which gives you more umami. You have the crispy cheese, the melty American cheese. You have the fried shallots for even more crunch. You have the acidity from the pickles and the jalapenos, which also add spice, along with the roasted garlic, Gochujang mayo, which is just insane. Best burger ever. If you want the full recipe, make sure to get a copy of my cookbook, Indulgent Eats at Home, and make sure to like and subscribe for more recipes. See ya!